Good morning. Happy Friday to each and every one of you. Today is the 10th of April. Welcome to it. My good things for today are, it's Friday! Woohoo! Friday! Awesome. Glad to see you. I have some good things to share from various students in different classes. One good thing for today is sleeping in. If this quarantine period means that you're getting normal or even better than normal sleep, awesome. Baking definitely is a good thing. Quesadillas is a good thing. Apple pencils, a good thing. Not getting stabbed. Glad to see that my students are avoiding violence. Good. The dizi, which is a Chinese instrument that's like a flute. Good to know. Morning runs, Frederick. Me too. I'm loving running lately. I'll be going on a run in just a little while. And the final one here is for Maya Smith. Congratulations on having a new baby sister. That is wonderful. All right, very short video for today. Yesterday, I hope you checked out those tutor links again, as well as how to keep active at home. I think both of those are good resources for you, or good just to see the tutors and learn a little bit more about them. Remember, today is Reflect and Catch Up Day. Any work that you have not completed over the course of the week, take care of it today. And all that I'm going to assign you today for Avid is this last item here. Hug somebody and tell them that they're awesome. Find your mommy, find your daddy, find your little brother, little sister, big sister, aunt, uncle, cousin, grandma, grandpa. Whoever you're with today, whoever you feel this way about, tell them they're awesome. Tell them why they're awesome. I'm feeling a lot of love for my children and for Mrs. Bruner over the course of this quarantine period. They're extremely important to me. Make sure that the people you feel that way about know that you feel that way about them. Doesn't have to be a big scene. Don't tell them that I told you to do this. Just go up, give them a big hug, tell them thank you for being awesome. And that's it. It's a big thing, though. Anyway, that's all I've got for today. Make sure you do the attendance form when it comes to you at 8 o'clock. Bye-bye. Have a great weekend.